the worst of the storm hasn't passed just yet. It just made landfall several hundred miles west of us. But we're still expecting a lot of rain and maybe a little bit more of a surge than what we see here. This is not the place to come drive if you absolutely don't have to. As we mentioned earlier, if you push water into the houses by driving fast through a wake, making a wake, you will be cited, possibly arrested. So this area anticipates flooding from the tidal surge. This is not accurately portray the entire city by any stretch of the means. We're not seeing flooding anywhere inside of the city limits where there's the residences and normal areas. So don't let this scare you, but this is just the areas close to the water. This is part of the tidal surge before the rain starts.